So, today we are going to make photos like this.
Never mind. Oh,
Let's get started. Placing first photo in Photoshop. By just dragging and dropping in Photoshop. Now the turn of second photo. Placing it that over the first photo.
Pressing right click and flipping it vertical to get reverse view of the city. While adjusting, you can see some part of that model get disappear by the city layer, so now I am going to make copy of the portion which hiding. First of all, adjusting the city layer. I am going to make copy of it by selecting quick selection tool, selecting the portion which hiding because of city layer. For refining this portion, press select and mask. Selecting the area which I want to be well finished. Right-click and selecting Make Layer Copy. For erasing some portion of the city, adding mask over it, and erasing it with Gradient tool. Now, I'm going to add some light in this photo. For that, making new layer and selecting color. Selecting soft brush for light, and choosing desired color. To get light effect, I am setting the blending mode at screen. Now choosing perspective to transform it into a coming light. Holding the corner and stretch it. Now, I'm going to reduce some opacity. Now merging this layer and getting it into the form of new layer, pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E. As you can see, a layer form with merging all layers. Now giving some effect which I preloaded, and the software for it is Nik Collection, which you can search on Google. As you can see in this, there are many effect galleries. So, thanks for watching this video. Hope this tutorial going to helpful to you. Press the like button to show your love on me. Please share this video as much you can, and don't forget to hit subscribe button. Check out my other tutorials.